Hello folks, welcome back to Florida Food Forest. Boy, I got a rare one here. Eugenia Rostrifolia. Eugenia Rostrifolia. There we go. I think I got it right there. But anyways, this is a super duper duper rare one. I haven't seen this around very much at all, and I've been watching Eugenias for a while. And this seemed like a pretty rare one, and I wanted to get my hands on it, and well, look, my hands are right here, right with it. It's a cool little tree. It's only about 2 inches tall right now, but I'm expecting some pretty good things about this. It is a South Brazil tree, and I understand it can get pretty tall, but I'm going to keep it in a pot and hopefully have some success with it. I understand the fruits can be pretty sweet, so I'm looking forward to that. It's probably a few years down the road. Of course, I'll update the video here as it grows along and keep you updated to how it's growing, if I have success. And if I don't have success, I'll update one of the tour videos when I give those. I'm going to try to do those pretty much on a monthly basis so you can keep track, and I can keep track of what's growing on here, my successes and failures from there. If you have any experience growing this tree, please let me know down in the comment section of this video. I could definitely use some pro tips or suggestions on growing this. Like I said, there's not much online. Yeah, the fruit is sweet. Okay, you got me sold. It's a sweet fruit from South Brazil. I probably can mimic its habitat or keep it kind of happy, hopefully very happy. But this is where I could use your suggestions and your help in getting this growing along. I can't travel the world to experience all these wonderful fruits and fruit trees and flowers and plants, but I can bring a whole lot of them to me, and that's what I aim to do. A lot of the habitats for plants are being destroyed, and they're going to end up struggling, and it's going to be up to you and me or people like me that helps preserve the life of these truly remarkable plants. And this is the part where I ask for your subscription. I hope I'm putting out worthy enough content that you're going to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave me some feedback. If you're not subscribed, I still appreciate the pro tips and suggestions and the viewership. I definitely appreciate you watching and spending some time with me as I get my grow on here in the Florida Food Forest. And there's plenty more to grow. I could almost do a fruit tree every single day of the year and still have time for more. Like I said, there's a lot of fruit trees growing on here. Really excited to share what I have growing on here. But, you know, if you get that like and subscribe button, that will definitely inspire me to go further and dig harder into this. Other than that, I appreciate you watching. Hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.